Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Salam Om Swastiastu, Namo Buddhaya, benevolent greetings, welfare greeting to all of us. Introduce, my name is Siti Fasasri Alia Rahman with student ID number 202301000031. I there will tell you about my scientific paper here. Education is a conscious planned effort to create a learning atmosphere and learning process so that students actively develop their potential to have religious spiritual traits, personality, intelligence, moral, life skills, general knowledge, and skill needed to become part of society based on the law. Education is a conscious effort carried out by family, communities, and governments through guidance, learning, and training activities. These learning activities certainly aim so that children or students can gain knowledge and development their skills. But in the learning process, not all children can understand the lesson delivered by their teacher. There are some children who have difficulties in learning. Now, in this scientific paper, I take the title of Learning Difficulties in Elementary School Students with the aim of analyzing student learning difficulties in grade 4 elementary school students. And with this research is expected to overcome the learning difficulties experienced by students. I conducted this research on grade 4 students with the initial AN who attended elementary school 3 Mayangsari with data collection methods with observation, interviews, documentation, and triangulation of data source. And next, characteristic of learning difficulties. According to Mr. Dalyono, learning difficulties are manifest in his behavior, both psychomotor, cognitive, and affective aspects. Some behavior that are manifestation of symptom of learning these difficulties include A. Demonstrate low or below average learning achievement achieved by the class group. B. The results achieved are not balanced with the effort made. B. The results achieved are not balanced with the effort made. He tried hard, but his grades were always low. C. Slow in performing learning tasks. He always lags behind his friend in everything. For example, in doing his tasks. D. Showing unnatural attitudes, such as indifference, opposing, pretending, lying, and so on. A. Exhibit abnormal behavior. For example, irritable, moody, grumpy, confused, sullen, less ecstatic, always sad. Students who have learning difficulties are commonly known. Under active year, this child has a high IQ but low learning achievement below grade average. Potentially, those with high IQs have high achievement, but children who have learning difficulties do not. The emergence of learning difficulties is related to aspects of motivation, interest, attitude, study habits, educational parents receive for this family. Next, form of student learning difficulties. Learning difficulties were first proposed by the United States Office of Education 1977, manifesting themselves in the form of difficulties. A. Difficulties listening. B. Difficulty learning to think. C. Difficulty reading. D. Difficulty writing. A. Difficulty spelling. And F. Numerally difficulty. According to Mulyadi, learning difficulties are divided into 1. Learning disorders. It is a condition where the learning process of student is disrupted due to conflicting response. Basically, people who experience learning disorders, their learning performance will not be disrupted, but the learning process is hampered by conflicting response. Thus, the learning results are lower than the potential possessed. 2. Learning disabilities indicates a student disability which refers to symptoms where the student is unable to learn, so that his learning outcomes are below his intellectual potential. And 3. Learning dysfunction shows symptoms where the learning process does not function properly even though there are basically no sign of mental subnormality, sensory disorders, or other physiological disorders. And 4. Underachiever research to students who have an intellectual potential level above normal, but those learning achievement is relatively low. 5. Slow learning process, so it takes time compared to other students who have level the same level of intellectual potential. And the outline of learning difficulties can be classified into two groups. 1. Developmentally relate 1. Developmentally relate 1. Developmentally related learning difficulties include motor and perceptual disorders, language and communication learning difficulties, and learning difficulties in social behavior adjustment. 2. Academic learning difficulties, namely academic learning difficulties point to failures in achieving and 2. Academic learning difficulties, namely academic learning difficulties point to failures in achieving academic achievement in according with the expected capacity. Their failures include mastery of writing and reading skill. C factor that cause student learning difficulties. Abdurrahman would state that the main cause of learning disabilities, namely internal factor, the possibility of neurological dysfunction. The main cause of learning problems are external factors, which include wrong learning strategies, learning management that does not arouse children learning motivation, and improve reinforcement. According to Mr. Daliono, in this book, it classified into two groups, and namely, 1. Internal factor derived from themselves, which include a psychological factor, that is factor of psychological nature, because they are not health. A child who is less healthy can have learning difficulties because he is easily tired, sleepy, dizzy, his concentration power is lost. Brain never are not able to work optimally in processing, managing, interpreting, and organizing learning materials through his sense. For serious group, they must enter special education such as SLB. B. Psychological factor of a spiritual nature. It is intelligence, interest, motivation, and basic. 2. External factors. Factor from outside human include a family factor. How to educate a child, parents who do not or pay little attention to the education of their children may be indifferent, do not pay attention to the progress of their children, will be the cause of his learning difficulties. Family economic situation. A. Less economy. This situation will lead to a lack of learning tools, lack of costs provided by parents, and not having a good place to study. Such circumstance will hinder the programs of the child. The cost factor is a very important factor. The cost factor is very important because learning and its continuity are very costly. B. Extensive or rich economy. This situation is the opposite of the first situation, where the family economic is abundant. They be reluctant to learn because they have too much fun. It is also possible the are too spoiled by parents can bear to watch their children study with great difficulty. This situation will hinder learning progress. And B, school factor. It is one, the teacher is not qualified. Two, the relationship between teacher and student is not good. Three, the teacher demand the standard of the lesson above the children ability. Four, the teacher has no proficiency in diagnosing learning difficulties. For example, in talents, interest, traits, children, needs, and so on. 5. Teacher teaching method that might cause learning difficulties. Incomplete learning tools make the presentation of lesson not good, especially lessons that are practicum. Curriculum. This, the ingredients are too high and unbalanced distribution of materials. Social environment, like friends get along. Next, research result. The observation was conducted in grade 4, which was supervised by Mr. Nina Mardiana SPD. The atmosphere of class 4 is quite conducive and comfortable. The lighting in the classroom is quite good, as well as good air circulation because it is close to the tree. In class 4, 3 are only 11 students, namely 6 boys and 5 girls, so that in the class it is not too crowded and comfortable. During the observation at the school, the researchers saw that AM was indeed a bit difficult to understand the lesson, so that if other students do their study assessment, they just look at their right and left. They dream while crossing out and do not do the assessment given. This has an impact on academic scores that tend to be lower than their classmates. According to him, IN also often lack focus in doing tasks. IN tend to belong in writing and is not very familiar with the placement of punctuation or translation marks. In interacting with other students, IN tends to be quiet in class and does not actively ask questions when there is material that he does not understand. Next, discussion. Based on the result of interviews and observation conducted by research, the problem experienced by AIN is the lack of proficiency in reading, writing, and arithmetic, resulting in low academic achievement and learning outcomes, also resulting in a slower learning, understanding process than peers of his age. This problem with AN occurred because he did not enter elementary school too early due to following his brother. And before entering elementary school, IN did not enter Taman Children first so that when he attended elementary school, he could not read and write. Teachers effort to help students overcome the difficulties they experience in the forms of 1. Give a special time at break time to study. 2. Please more focus on learning to write and recognize symbols. 3. Provide entertainment such as singing and making games so that he feels happy and cheerful. According to Henry Guntur, et, et al. In their book suggests that can be implemented to improve reading skill include the following. 1. Teachers can help students enrich their vocabulary. 2. Teacher can help students to understand the meaning of word structure, sentence, and so on. 3. If necessary, teacher can provide and explain area or understanding of allusion, innuendo, expansion, saying, proverbs in the mother tongue of student. 4. Teacher can guarantee and ensure student understanding by sharing voice. 5. Teacher can improve the reading speed of student. And to develop writing skill, teachers trick 1. Teach them to slow down, to distinguish letter characters such as whether the lines of a letter should be straight or crooked, open or closed, and so on. Farida Rahim stated that to be able to understand various kinds of reading materials, there are several activities in reading activities, including 1. Free pre-reading activities are activities that are carried out before doing reading activities. In pre-reading activities, it can be done by directing attention to the activation of schematics, previous knowledge. Related to the topic of reading, cinematic activation can be done by reading wise, for example, by initial review, antifiction guidelines, meaning mapping, writing before reading, and character drama. 2. Activate when reading by listening to the story being read. Activities when reading are carried out after carrying out free reading activities. Alderson also states the process of reading involves examining new information against previous knowledge and seeing if it makes sense or not based on previous knowledge. 3. Post-reading activities. Post-reading activities are used to help integrate the new information he reads into his cinematic so that a higher level of understanding is obtained. Okay, next, conclusion. When related to the explained above, according to Mulyadi, then this an experience learning disabilities and is grouped into academic learning difficulties. And based on the explanation from Mr. Dalyono, the internal factor that affects this IN in is a lack of motivation in him, while the external factor is economic factor, where family is unable to enter IN into kindergarten, so then he cannot read and read at all and enter school days. The ability to read, write, and count cannot even all studies and full as Dema Yang Sari. Moreover, the teacher strives to carry out a variety of varied learning methods, create a creative and conductive learning atmosphere, additional tutoring, and rewarding. Thanks. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.